Naaman din pa-deliver si ma'am nga kanang surplus na table. Worth 6,000 sir, gikiro off sa imuha. Ay, oo ma'am. Bali, 6,000 siya sir. Wala pa, gikiro off man yung ma'am sa imo. Opo, fill na delivery charge. Ito na order ni ma'am, tapos gikiro off na kay sir ang payment.
Sa'yo lamang ang pag-ibig kong tunay, walang iba o giliw ko. Anong saya sa tuwing ika'y kasama, wala nang hahanapin pa.
Ang nag-email kami ni Sir Romy. Sir Romy po. Namin deliver ma'am. Sir, good morning. Sir Romy po. Kuan ni sir sa Japan Surplus. Opo, sa Magsaysay. Naaman din pa-deliver si ma'am nga kanang surplus na table. Worth 6,000 sir, gikiro off sa imuha. Ay, oo ma'am. Bali, 6,000 siya sir. Wala pa, gikiro off man yung ma'am sa imo.
Wala ko yung cash, di ka abot 6,000?
Opo, fill na delivery charge. Table nga order ni ma'am, tapos gikiro off niya kay sir ang payment.
Ay, sa ako, sige dito.
Ha?
Atong sa ako,
Ikaw lang makuha ma'am?
Ito na eh. Hindi rin BPI?
BDO sir, na kay BDO po. Gcash.
Ikaw ba? BPI lang ako.
Sige, pa-check na lang sana mo sir.
Ha?
Pa-check na mo ang table sa imo. Bago na mo ipa-receive, baba na mo. Tanawa lang ninyo ni sir, kung mauna yung order.
Sa'yo lamang ang pag-ibig kong tunay, walang iba o giliw ko. Anong
Surprise! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Sir, chocolate cookie for you. Sir, na-surprise ka, sir?
That's good.
Surprise, good.
Very surprised.
Okay, sir, I'm saying para sa inyo, sir. To my loving husband, there is no one I would rather spend the rest of my life than with you. Thank you so much for having I am a loving, caring, responsible, and thoughtful person. You are the best gift from God. Just continue your good deeds to all people and most especially to your family. Grace is our reward in heaven. I love you so much. Happiest birthday. God bless. Enjoy your special day from your loving wife. Happy birthday, sir.
My only wish for you today is for you to have a long and healthy life, continue to exercise, eat healthy food, and be health conscious along with mama. And also, I want to wish for you to have a happy life with us, your family, and all the people that love you, your relatives, your friends. And please know that we are here to support you. Whatever you think, whatever you plan to do, I know that you're the one who always support us in our dreams. But please know now we're always here for you, and we appreciate all your efforts for this family. For us, for always being an inspiration to your children, for us to strive hard and achieve more. So that's all, and I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday to my sweet, sweet, and loving husband. Happy 53rd of existence in this world. Okay. More good health and long life with us. Just continue and be as a responsible husband and father to our children. Be good always. Keeps healthy. Always exercise. And especially, don't forget always to acknowledge God's presence in your life. At sana magkasama tayo balang araw. Mag-full-time worker ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Yan ang wish ko sa buhay ko. Pag-retire mo, kasama tayo sa pagtanda. Pray tayo always. Hold on to God. Hold on, ha. Don't quit. Never give up. Dito lang ako sa tabi mo always. Loving you till death do us part. Since na hindi ako nakabihis. Ito lang wish ko. I love you so much. We love you. I love you. God is with you always. And God bless to all of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Love you.
Message mo po sa kanila, sir, pati sa mga anak ko. Pinadala na ni ma'am ng isang sakong bigas.
Bantog na ngayon mga ay nagpalit bugas ha.
Siya na nagpalit para sa inyo.
Kaya pala kayo nag ano ha. Tahimik lang kayo. Meron pala kayong piniprepare.
Isang sakong bigas. Message mo, sir, para kay ma'am at saka sa mga anak mo po.
Salamat. Thank you for all your efforts. Nagkaiyak na.
Okay lang, sir, okay lang. First
This
time
will
mo,
now
sir.
be the standard for any birthdays. For any birthdays to come. Anyway, maraming salamat mo kay Jiren. Salamat. So this is the first time in my life that with this very special ano tawag ito?
Tart surprise po.
Tart surprise. So,
Lakasan mo yung ano mo, sige. Pinakarayan tayo sa Him for God family.
thank you very
Hello,
much.
Him for God.
Thank you for
Anak ko dyan.
all your greetings. Thank you, no?
Sweet
As I
Joy.
said-
Ano ganun pangalan sa ano mo?
Sweet joy well of surprise po.
Sweet Joy, well of surprise ito. Sinong gusto dyan?
Pinapawan si.
O, sa Kidapawan City. No? Taga Kidapawan, sinong gusto dyan? Magpa-surprise ng mga mahal ninyo.
Message ko ganito. Anyway, thank you for your love. No? That love comes in a very unexpected way. So, this is it. So,
Wala niyo mag-expect. sir.
wala yun.
Naiwan.
First time. Kaysa alam po ko naman yunitan. Then this one, tart surprise. Thank you very much for this. And, I hope we have many more birthdays to come. Days to celebrate with my family. And all around us, and also with all our friends there. Naka-online. So, salamat kayo. Tingala lang kami na pag-video-video kami. Something So, salamat kayo, and of course, God, thank you very much, Lord, for this 53 years of existence here on earth. Thank you.
Bata pa kayo, sir.
Still
Still
strong.
Rukia.
Thank you for all the blessings and hope it will also be a blessing to others. Kaya ginatong ano din sa kalimutan to serve God and to serve His people. Thank you very much.
Okay. Sir,
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, sir. Maglutan candle.
sino nyo dyan?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Make a wish and blow your candle.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday! Sir, surprise naman sa inyo.
Happy yun. Happy masyado. Very, very happy.
Oh, wow. Ma'am, basig na pa kay Mrs. Siya Dugang. Wala kay si Sir Diha, kay birthday ba yan niya? Wow. Wow, yay! Surprise yan. Surprise. Okay, happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
God bless you always. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sa'yo lamang ang pag-ibig kong tunay, walang iba o giliw ko. Anong saya sa tuwing ika'y kasama, wala nang